Good morning my dear students, welcome back to maths class. So this is the class for the continuous in some applications of trigonometry. Okay, so already in your previous class we complete every sums up to the 16 questions in your exercise 9.1, but this class is a missing problem for the exercise 9.1 question number 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 8 only. Okay. So these 3 questions and the example 2 questions. So this totally 5 questions only we are going to see in this class. Why? Because of in last week we are giving one online class, live class. No. For that live class, some of due to that network problem and some other disturbance, maximum number of students have not understood that problems only. So that's why I am giving this 5 problems alone for this class. Got it, children? Okay, children. Now I am going to teach you for that missing problems of exercise 9.1 and the part 2. Okay, in your classroom part 1 and part 3, then part 4 are available. Part 2 is your online class, live class in your last week, in the last week. So that class only I am going to give you from this class. Okay, yes students. Now the question number 6. Here 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from the 30 meter tall building. So the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building is increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So this is your given question. Okay, so already I told you students, each and every question first you should read and get the idea to draw the diagram. Okay, so from the diagram only we can move the single step to use that tan theta or cos theta or sin theta. Maximum number of problems we are using only tan theta. Okay, yes student. Now listen. See, 1.5 meter tall boy is standing. Okay, and he see 1.5 meter tall boy is standing and at the some distance of the building. So this building is 30 meter totally tall. So the building is 30 meter tall. Okay, yes student. So the boy is standing 1.5 meter tall and observe the top of the building. So the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building is increases. First he is seeing the top of the building in 30 degree and he walks some distance towards the building to reach the point. This, and he is looking at the same top of the building, it increases the angle in 60 degree. So find the distance he walked. Have you got it, children? Okay, see, so this is a boy. Okay, he is standing some distance of the 30 meter tall building. Okay, so from his eyes level, it is angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degree and some distance he is walking to move. The first point, initial point is A and some distance he is going to walk. No, yes. So that point is B and the foot of the tall building is C. Then the point of the observation is D. Yes students, now we are going to find the distance between AB. That distance only the boy is going to walk. Yes students, okay. So this the total building is given, that is 30. Here CD only I am going to find. How means, see, the total building and 1.5 meter we want to reduce. No, yes. So the CD which is equal to 30 meter minus 1.5 30 minus 1.5, which is equal to 28.5 meter. This is a value of CD. Why sir you are taking CD means, see, the total height only 30 meter. Okay, the boy height we are going to subtract, no. So if this is my height 1.5 meter. If I am going to move in some distance, okay, so the same height only you are going to get the same point C. That's only we are subtracted from the tall building, height of the building 30 meter to height of the boy, tall boy. Okay, yes, student. Yes, now, so first I am going to take the right angle triangle DBC or DAC, you are wish, anything. Okay, student. Yes. Now first in right triangle, so this is a tall building part and this is the height of boy. Height of boy. Yes, okay. So right angle triangle DAC or first DBC. Smaller one first take DBC. So here also I am going to take the same tan theta. So do you know the ratio for tan theta? Yes, what is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here the opposite side is CD and adjacent side is BC. Adjacent side is BC. Yes, students. Okay. Now I am going to substitute the values. Tan 60 degree, which is equal to the value of CD already we know that is 28.5. So 28.5 by BC. Simply you have to take BC, or otherwise give some more variables, y or something else. Okay. Yes. Do you know the value of tan 60 pa? Yes. Root 3, which is equal to 28.5 by BC. Now I want to interchange the terms. This left to right. So implies that BC, which is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. So multiply like a root 3 answer divide airo and divide like a BC want to move that in left side, it will come on numerator. Okay. Here I am going to take a conjugate factor, that is rationalizing the factor. Rationalize the factor. So rationalize the factor, take the root 3 and multiply both numerator and denominator to get 28.5 root 3 whole divided by root 3 into root 3, what will come? 3. Now I am going to simplify. 1 3s are 3. What is that? How many 3s are 27 pa? So 28, less than 28. 9 3s are, okay. So 9 3s are 27, remainder 1. So 5 3s are 15. So 9.5 root 3 is the value of BC. 9.5 root 3 is the value of BC. So we know this. Now only I am going to take the whole triangle, that is in right triangle DAC. So here also I am taking in tan theta. Okay, so tan theta equal to, this is the opposite side, this whole fully in adjacent side. Okay, so CD divided by what? CD divided by AC. CD divided by AC. Now I am going to substitute the values. First theta is what ma? 30 degree. Okay. Now tan 30 degree, which is equal to CD already you have, that is 28.5 whole divided by AC means this is a value of X. Now only we find the value of BC, or otherwise excess one more step. Okay, AB plus BC. Okay, now do you know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 whole divided by AB you don't know, that's only we are going to find X, the distance walked by the boy. Okay, yes. Now X plus BC, now only you find the value, that is 9.5 root 3. 9.5 root 3. Okay, so I am going to take a cross multiplication to get X plus 9.5 root 3, which is equal to 28.5 root 3, to take a cross multiplication like that. Okay, now I need only the value of X, that is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So x equal to what will come, student? So 0.5 root 3, 0.5 root 3 cancel up. So 28 minus 9 is 19. Otherwise take root 3. 0.555 cancel pa. So if you want to take root 3 in common mean 28.5 minus 9.5. So 0.5 move means what will come? 19 root 3 meter. 19 root 3 meter. So 19 root 3 meter is the distance walked by the students. Have you got it, children? Okay. So this pattern sum, the same questions you have in example 3. Example 3, an observer. That is refer yourself. Okay, student? Yes. And the next question I am going to give you now. So the next question is example 4 question. Yes, students. So take your book. Page number 200. The question number 4 in example. Question number 4 in example. Okay. Now I am reading the question. Listen carefully. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. The angle of the elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff at the distance of the building from the point P. Okay, so first this is a point. This is one point. So from the point we have, see, we want to take like this. This is a building. Okay, in the building top, one flag is there. Okay, flag is there. So first, see, from a point P on the ground, the angle of the elevation of the top of the 10-meter flag force is 30 degree. So here, so first this one I am going to take. This is a 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. Top of the flagstaff is totally, this is 45 degree. Totally 45 degree. Okay. Yes. Now you know the value of AB we are taking. See, this is a P, this is A, and this B, and that one is C. Okay, otherwise in booking they are given D. Okay, whichever you have to take, it's not a problem. So here the height of the building is given, that is 10 meter tall building. So the height of the building is given to you in 10 meter. Now what they are asking, we need to find the length of the flagstaff and distance between. So this one and this one. So these two things we are going to find now. Okay, students? Yes. Have you got it? Okay. Now this is a building. AB is a building. Okay. This is the height of flagstaff. So this is the distance between the point P and what is that? Foot of the building. Foot of building. If you need to write, otherwise leave it, no problem. Okay, student? Yes. Now first I am going to take this in right triangle. In right triangle BPA. BPA. So here you have a tan theta, the same. So tan theta, which is equal to opposite side whole divided by adjacent side. So AB divided by PA. AB divided by PA. So tan theta angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, which is equal to AB, you have a 10 meter whole divided by PA. Okay. Yes. Now already you know the value of tan 30 degree is what? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3, which is equal to 10 by PA. 10 by PA. So here I need the value of PA. To take a cross multiplication, PA, which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. 10 root 3 meter. So PA means this is the distance between the point to the foot of the building. Okay, yes. And the next I'm going to take a in right triangle CPA. In right triangle CPA. Okay, yes. Now here tan theta which is equal to opposite side means the whole AC divided by adjacent side is PA or AP. Okay, here theta already you know that is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree which is equal to AC means this is the height of the flagstaff mentioned by H. Okay, so H plus 10. 10 plus H or H plus 10. Whole divided by PA already you know that is 10 root 3. Already you know that is 10 root 3. Do you know that the value of tan 45 is what? 1. Okay, so 1 which is equal to H plus 10 whole divided by 10 root 3. Okay, va? Then want to take a cross multiplication to get the values. 10 root 3 which is equal to H plus 10. H plus 10. I need here H only. So I'm going to move H plus 10 which is equal to 10 root 3. I need only H means 10 root 3 minus 10. In both terms also 10 is a common. So I'm going to take outside to get root 3 minus 1. So what is the height of the flagstaff? 10 into root 3 minus 1. 10 into root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the flagstaff. Okay? Have you got it, children? Okay. Then the next question, student, in exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. I am reading the question. Listen carefully. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the transmission tower that is fixed at the top of the 20-meter tall building are 45 degree and 60 degree. Now we need to find the height of the tower. Okay, yes student. Yes, listen now. Here from a point on the ground. So this is a point on the ground. Here some distance above we have one building. One building. Okay, is that building height you have 20 meter. 20 meter. So this is a building. And it has a height of 20 meter. Okay, yes. So from the building, top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of the building. Okay, here I am going to fixed one tower. Okay, yes. Now you have a angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower. So bottom is a 45 degree and top is a what? 60 degree. So bottom is 45 degree and top is 60 degree. So the total is 60 degree. Okay, so here we should find the height of the tower. Height of the tower. This one we are going to mention H. So the point, this is A and this one is B. Here C, here D. Okay, so BC is the height of building. Height of building. That is given 20 meter. And CD is the height of transmission tower. Transmission tower. And the angle of elevation is given 45 degree and 30 degree. Okay, yes. Now first I am going to take in right triangle, the small triangle CAB. In right triangle CAB. Okay, yes. Now here tan theta which is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Okay, va? Now you have a value of theta is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree which is equal to BC you have a 20 whole divided by AB. AB you don't know. What is AB? So the distance between the point and the foot of the building. Okay, yes. Now you have a value of tan 45 is 1 which is equal to 20 by AB. 20 by AB. So here I am going to move this like the denominator in left side, it will come numerator. So AB which is equal to 20 meter. AB equal to 20 meter. And the next I am going to take in right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. The DAB. Right angle triangle DAB. Okay, wow. So in right angle triangle DAB, here also you have a same tan theta which is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is BD and adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side is AB. Okay, wow. Yes. Now theta you have a 60 degree. Okay. Now tan 60 degree which is equal to BD means, so this total value, so this is the height of the building 20 and height of the transmission tower. So totally H plus 20. H plus 20. Whole divided by AB, that is already you know, that is 20. Okay. And tan 60, do you know the value? Yes, that is root 3 which is equal to H plus 20 whole divided by 20. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication. 20 root 3 which is equal to H plus 20. H plus 20. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to change like this. H plus 20 which is equal to 20 root 3. Okay? I need only H means 20 root 3 plus 20 want to move that side, it will come minus 20. On both terms also you have a 20 is a common, so I am taking out to get root 3 minus 1. Okay, so here I am going to take a conjugate factor. I am going to take a conjugate factor. Okay, so what they are asking in the question? Find the height of the tower. Okay, so here it is enough. Otherwise, taking the conjugate factor, if you have a denominator, take it. Otherwise, no problem. So this is your final answer. Okay, height of the transmission tower is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, so here root 3 is given. Suppose use root 3 equal to 1.73 in the book, in question itself, you have to substitute the values and get the final answer. Otherwise, you have to take this format only is enough. Okay, yes. And the last question for this session is question number 8. So look at the question. A statue is 1.6 meter tall, stands on the top of the pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Pedestal means it's very simple. When you are seeing in your in the temple or in a public places, statues are there, no? Yes. And the statue on the namakila tarayla vekkamatom. Okay, we have one stage. So on the stage pedestal. Koyilayum sari and normal public places layum sari or stage mari irukum. I mean edha or katta mari vechirupanga, adukku mela da pedestal irukum. Okay, so that is called a pedestal. Adukku mela da cellar irukum. Yes. Now listen the question. A statue stands on the top of the pedestal. So this is a pedestal that is made like this. Okay. So hereafter we have one statue. Hereafter we have one statue. Yes, students. Okay. Now from a point on the ground. So I am going to take this one point. That is A. So from a point on the ground, top of the statue is 60 degree. So this is a statue, no? Okay. So the top of the statue is 60 degree. Okay. And top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Yes. Okay. 45 degree. Yes, students. Okay. And one more thing is given. The statue height is given. 1.6 meter tall statue. 1.6 meter tall statue. So here what you are going to find? Height of the pedestal. It is mentioned by H. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay. Yes. So AB is represented by that distance between the point and the foot of the pedestal. Okay. And BC is a height of pedestal. and CD is the height of statue. Height of statue. So CD is given to you in 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. So here we should find the height of the pedestal. Now in right triangle CAB. So whichever letters give, that is your wish. Okay. Yes. Now tan theta, which is equal to opposite side is BC divided by adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side is AB. So here theta you have a 45 degree ada. Yes. So tan 45 degree, which is equal to opposite side is BC, that's mentioned by H. Okay. And divided by AB, that's also you don't know, mention AB. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 equal to H by AB. H by AB. So to take a cross multiplication, that is AB which is equal to H. So take us equation number 1. Yes, students. Okay. And next I am going to take the whole big right triangle, that is in right triangle DAB. So here tan theta, which is equal to the total this whole, I am going to mention H plus 1.6. Okay, that is BD. So tan theta, which is equal to BD divided by AB. So tan theta is 60 ada. Okay. So tan 60, which is equal to BD, you have a H plus 1.6 whole divided by AB. That's also already you know H. Okay. Then tan 60 you know pa, yes, that is root 3. So root 3, which is equal to H plus 1.6 whole divided by H. Okay. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication like this. It will come root 3H, which is equal to H plus 1.6. So the plus H term want to move in left side, it will come minus. So root 3H minus H equal to 1.6. In left side you have a H on both term, common. So out. So root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 1.6. Now I need only the value of H equal to, so the multiply root 3 minus 1 want to move in right side, it will come the denominator. So 1.6 whole divided by root 3 minus 1. So here I am going to take the rationalize the factor. What is the rationalizing factor? Root 3 plus 1 apa? So you need to multiply root 3 plus 1 on both numerator and denominator. Now what will come? So 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by, this is the format of a plus b into a minus b. I am going to take a square minus b square. So root 3 the whole square minus 1 square. So root 3 the whole square, you know the what? You know that? 3 and 1 square 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Yes. Now 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now I am going to simplify. 1 2s are 2, 0.8 2s are 1.6. So 0.8 into root 3 plus 1, this is a height of the pedestal. This is the height of the pedestal. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this? This is a question number what? Statue question. Question number 8. Okay. So up to this question we have completed the applications of some applications of trigonometry. Okay. Yes, students. So the upcoming your slip test portion this also contains. So be prepare all the question and do the exam well. Okay. Yes, students. So we'll meet the next class. Thank you, students.